So I just took apart this drill. This is a really, really old drill. It was my dad gave it to me a couple years ago. It was probably one of his first cordless drills. I'm guessing it's probably about 20 years old or so, maybe a little more, but it was a really, really good drill, cordless drill, DeWalt DW944, 9.6 volt. It was a little bit lacking in torque, and so, it hadn't been used in a while. Both my dad and I have better, cheaper versions, 12 or 18 volt now that kind of outstrip this older one. But I just thought I'd post a video of it because I was very, very impressed by the quality with which it was put together. I mean, if you look at the parts, look at these gears. I mean, these are solid alloy metal gears. I mean, most most budget cordless drills these days have plastic gears, and these are really, really high quality. They're very, very well machined. The edges of the teeth are very sharp, and I mean, every single gear in this this transmission and clutch assembly for this drill, they're all just very high quality metal. The motor was a really high quality Johnson motor. I've overvolted this and burned the crap out of it, and you'll see that in another video. Which is kind of, it feels a little sacrilegious because it was such a well-made drill that I feel a little sad having destroyed that motor. But here's the other piece of the gear assembly. I mean, it's just really good quality. Everything is metal. There's no plastic in here at all. This heat sink is copper, not aluminum. Like they make them these days, they're made out of aluminum. This is a copper heat sink for the I guess it's a MOSFET or whatever the hell it is. It's a copper heatsink, which is impressive, and just the chunkiness and quality of this switch. I mean, it's just really good high quality parts. I was very impressed when I opened this up. So, yeah, definitely speaks to the quality and care that went into these older tools. They don't make them like this anymore. Copper heat sinks, all metal gears, really good solid metal bearings. This kind of stuff wears out in newer drills really fast. This is just a really high quality stuff. So